Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix mobile data issues in your Redmi smartphone. So let's fix it. So first friends, if you are having any connectivity issue or sometimes you are downloading any movies applications and your internet is very slow or sometimes not coming, so how you can fix it? So firstly you have to refresh your internet connection. Sometimes it might not be refreshed, so first you have to open this airplane mode for at least 10 seconds, so it will refresh your mobile network services. Turn off it after, and if it is fixed then okay, then if it is not, then you have to click on search and here you have to write reset Wi-Fi settings. Now you have to simply scroll down and here you have to click on reset, enable the passcode, and it is reset. The mobile network settings has been reset successfully. Now restart your device and your mobile data connection will be fixed. If not, you have to remove your SIM card from your smartphone and insert it properly again. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.